Hello everybody, I hope you're well. Today and over the next few sessions we're going to break down fats. We're going to look at the different types of fats and why they're needed by the body without going into too much chemistry, so I'm going to keep it as straightforward as possible to give you some examples of the different groups of fats, the different foods, etc. that fall into each and why they're needed by the body. We all need fat in our diet, and over the last numerous years there's always been a debate as to whether to follow a low-fat diet or to eliminate saturated fats completely. But we're all biochemically different and we all respond to fats in different ways due to genetics, age, sex, activity levels. So we're going to explore this area a little bit more. There is a growing body of evidence to suggest that we need to be looking at including more omega-3 fatty acids in our diet and less omega-6, which the omega-6 lead to inflammation. So we're going to be exploring that area more because in the Western world the ratio is completely out, which is starting to lead to more in the way of chronic diseases because of the inflammation. We need to include a good amount of monounsaturated fats, they're really healthy fats, so found in avocado and extra virgin olive oil and extra virgin rapeseed oil. Also polyunsaturated fats, some of those as well, and some saturated fats too. We all need fats in our diet for a number of reasons: for energy, for insulation, for brain development, for reducing inflammation depending on the type of fat, to produce hormones, for cell membrane integrity. So there's no point in cutting out a major food group for our bodies, but it's more important to get the types of fats and the combinations right. So what are the main categories of fats then? Well, we've got saturated fats, which are mainly from animal sources and include full fat dairy, red meat, poultry, coconut oil. We've got the trans fats, which are liquid oils changed into solids by a process called hydrogenation. They can be found in cake mixes, pastries, pie crusts, biscuits. We'll look at those in a lot more depth. We've then got the monounsaturated fats, often known as the healthier fats, found in extra virgin olive oil, rapeseed oil, avocados. We've then got the polyunsaturated fats, which can be found in some in fish, sunflower oils, different plant-based oils. We've then got the omega-3 and 6 fatty acid group, which we'll explore quite a lot more in depth. So I look forward to seeing you next week, where we start to break down these categories of different fats and start to find out more about them and their impact on the body, and also sources of each of these different types of fats. Have a really good week and take care, and I'll see you next week.